We'll be constructing a triangle today. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline AB using our T-square and our pencil. Then we're going to measure the length of the line AB. So we're going to mark B, then we're going to mark A, then we're going to label B, and we're going to label A. So what we're going to do, we're going to extend the line to the left of A because we'll be constructing the 90-degree angle using our compass at A. So we need to extend the line to the left of A. We're going to open our compass to any radius, about 2 centimeters. I'm going to mark a semicircle to intersect the baseline. Then where the semicircle intersects the baseline, we're going to use the same radius to mark 2 arcs to intersect the semicircle. Where the arcs intersect the semicircle, mark an arc, same radius there. The line drawn through the last pair of intersecting arcs, that line will be 90 degrees. So we use our pencil and our set square or a ruler, if you have a ruler, and we're drawing that line. All right, this line would be a construction line. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to measure the height of the triangle. So we measure, and then we label that point C. Then we use our ruler to connect the points C to B to form the required triangle. So we use our ruler and our pencil to draw the triangle ABC, the right angle triangle ABC. Okay? We'll be labeling the drawing. So we'll be using our T-square to draw some guidelines so that we can label the drawing. So we draw our guidelines using our T-square and pencil. So we're going to label our right angle triangle. So we're going to write 2, construct, a triangle. Given the base AB, comma, angle CAB and side AC. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to darken the triangle. So we're going to darken the base AB. We had the construction line before, so we're going to darken it now. This is AB. Then we're going to darken AC. This is our triangle. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a right-angled triangle. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to draw similar triangles. So please take care until then, and at CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.